Okay, we have a Matsuura 4-axis vertical machining center, model ES800V, serial number 15980. Machine was new in 2004. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a 20,000 RPM spindle. We just simulated a tool change. Right now we're running at one more. There you go. 2 tool changes. Machine has a 20,000 RPM spindle with a BT40 taper. You have a Matsuura G-Tech 840 DIS 4-axis control. That's 3,500 RPM. That's 7,500 RPM. 9,000 RPM, and our spindle, our air compressor kicked in. All right. All right, we're going to run the axes for you. That's your Y. You have 21.65 in the Y, 31.49 in the X, and 19.68 in the Z, or 800X, 550Y, and 500Z millimeter. You have a 45.27 by 21.65 table, and you also have a Pseudocoma rotary table, which you're seeing move right there. The Pseudocoma is a model RNA200R. The machine also has coolant through the spindle and chip conveyor. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.